Common washing machine problems and their fixes. 1. Washing machine won't start due to power issues or a faulty lid switch. Check the power outlet and ensure the door is shut tightly. 2. Doesn't fill with water due to a blocked inlet valve or kinked hoses. Clean water inlet screens and straighten the hoses. 3. Not draining water? Check for a clogged drain pump. Remove and clean the drain hose and listen for humming. 4. Leaking water could mean a damaged door seal or loose hose connections. Inspect and replace the door gasket if necessary. Toolbox tools you might need include screwdrivers and pliers.